Keep learning with Priya ma'am. Hello children, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you an integrated project of Punjab and Odisha. Beta dimension of the project is 17 by 25 centimeter. Beta, whenever you are making a project, it should be creative, elaborative and informative. In this project you will get all these features. If you want to get the pictures, you can DM us and the number is given in the description. बेटा, जब भी आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो, सबसे पहले आपने उसके टाइटल पेज के बारे में सोचना है. This is a beautiful idea to make a title page that can increase the value of your project. Here, cultural map of Punjab and Odisha is pasted and keywords of the project is written over there. This page is about geographical location and features of Punjab and Odisha. Maps are pasted and few lines are written. This page is about language of Punjab and language of Odisha. This page is about the food of Punjab and the food of Odisha. Beautiful collages made on the food items of Punjab and Odisha. This is about the dance form of Punjab and Odisha. You can select the dance forms. Those are classical or those are folk dances. You can select the pictures and paste, and afterward you can write few lines on them. These are the festivals of Punjab and Odisha. In this page, you can see few lines are written and few pictures are pasted. You can see different ways are there to paste the pictures. Here we have places to visit. Different places are there to visit in Punjab and Odisha. Pictures are selected and the content is also selected, that is written. This page is about art form of Punjab and Odisha. Pictures are selected and content is also selected. You can paste the pictures and write the content, but in the creative way as I have written. This page is about flora and fauna of Punjab and flora and fauna of Odisha. A huge variety of flora and fauna is there, so collage is made and content is written. This is about handicraft of Punjab and handicraft of Odisha. Beta, whenever you are making the project, it is not necessary to write the content always. Sometimes you can paste the pictures only, right? So here I have pasted the pictures only in a creative way. Dear children, I hope you like this project. If you like this project, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So God bless to all of you and keep smiling.